Hey there, my name's Dimitri from Knack. In this video, we're gonna dive into a brand new feature update where we have actually made it so that you can integrate your Google Sheets data with Knack. Google Sheets offers convenience and ease of use for data sharing. They may not provide the level of security and control required for sensitive information or confidential information, and organizations should check the data security requirements and consider using dedicated no-code for sharing data with external stakeholders. Google Sheets itself offers some limited access control options compared to Knack. While you can share Google Sheets with specific individuals or groups, the granularity of access control is pretty minimal. This can lead to data exposure. Google Sheets lacks the robust version control features compared to Knack, and this can make it challenging to track changes to the data and ensure data integrity, especially when multiple users are collaborating on the same sheet. Google Sheets itself may not provide a comprehensive audit trail of data, access, and modifications, making it difficult to track who accessed or modified the data and when. This lack of transparency can be a concern for organizations that require strict compliance with regulations such as GDPR or HIPAA. Now, in comparison to Knack offers robust security measures, including role-based access, data encryption, and audit trails, ensuring that sensitive data is protected from unauthorized access. Additionally, Knack also offers and allows for granular control over user permissions, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access and modify data within the platform. So in order to import data from Google Sheets, all you need to do is follow these steps. Go inside of a Knack app, like this custom CRM, press next, and then you can either put a file or you can select Google Sheets. From there, you can click on your account, select a specific sheet, like this Siggy contacts, and then from there, you map your columns to the data in the tables, and then you're done. It's imported. As you can see right here, all of the data is within these tables and transferred over perfectly. You can quickly build applications on Google Sheets and instantly import data from Google Sheets directly into Knack applications without the need to export to CSV first. In minutes, builders can create rich user interfaces effortlessly, connecting your Google Sheets data directly into a new Knack app or within an existing app to streamline your workflow. Effectively filter and organize your data for clearer insights and improved accessibility. You can experience a transformation in data management productivity and efficiency when doing this. It's perfect for business owners, project managers, and anyone eager to enhance their data skills and boost productivity. Just as you can with any of your other apps, you can select specific tabs, map columns, and import data with ease, enhancing flexibility and efficiency in data management. Now, how is this better than what we have just with Google Sheets? By importing this data from Google Sheets, users can maintain data integrity and consistency across their applications, ensuring accurate and up-to-date information. By harnessing the power of Google Sheets as a data source, users can accelerate Knack development, timelines, and reduce development costs. Our platform eliminates the need for manual data migration and conversion, allowing users to focus on building innovative applications that drive business growth. So some of the flexibility and customization you'll see is that Knack empowers users of all skill levels to create custom apps tailored to their unique needs. With the ability to import data from Google Sheets, users can leverage their existing data assets to create dynamic, data-driven applications that enhance productivity and drive business growth. Even inside of my current data, I can add more from here using my Google account rather than going through that same process I showed previously without needing to actually start from scratch. We can mix and match data sets from different files, including Google Sheets. With Knack, as I was just getting across, building an app takes just minutes, and you can either connect your Google Sheets at the beginning, during an app already existing, and it's going to be able to connect easily and be updated into this amazing UI that you have once you set it up. There's no need to worry about at what stage you're putting that Google Sheet data in. With this update, now you can seamlessly bring in the data from Google Sheets at any point during the creation process, whether it be from scratch or during the middle of it. This eliminates the need to export to CSV or manually copy and paste data from Google Sheets into a CSV. In just minutes, builders can really create user-rich interfaces like this one, connecting their Google Sheets data into new or existing apps to streamline their workflow. Knack empowers you to customize your apps effortlessly to match your exact preferences, providing flexibility and control over your data. As you can see here, the great part about this update is that you're able to extend your Google Sheets into not just databases, right? We have pages here, pages that connect to various clients that then go into other subpages and give great views with specific user roles, page rules, and permissions to manage different levels of access within your application. You get a tighter control over which data users can modify and view, ensuring security and compliance. This level of flexibility just can't be found within Google Sheets in comparison. Knack empowers users of all skill levels to leverage their existing data assets to create dynamic, data-driven applications that enhance productivity and drive business growth. All of those apps that you've seen us have and all the different use cases you see us talking about now on this channel and in any future ones can utilize your data in Google Sheets. And we're really excited for that to be the case for you. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. It's a very simple process of just adding a Google Sheet and mapping columns instead of needing to do it with a CSV or other data set. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate you, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date with more content like this one from Knack.